Habari Gani. Today we begin our Kwanzaa celebration by reflecting on the first principle of Kwanzaa, Umoja, or unity. Without question, the children of the African diaspora are separated by many things: religion, sex, socioeconomic status, etc., etc., etc. We must remember today and throughout the year that there is strength in numbers, and therefore we must create opportunities to strengthen and to maintain our community. During this week of Kwanzaa observance, search for and create opportunities to come together, work with, and be a blessing to the members of this community. Because the truth of the matter is really very simple. We are much stronger together than we could ever be apart. Now, how could you apply this Kwanzaa principle in your life today? What ideas come to mind when you think about it? We would love to hear about it. Please share your answers with us and your ideas in the comments below. You have no idea how we build our community and strengthen our community by sharing information and ideas. Also, be sure to continue building our community by sharing this Kwanzaa principle with someone you love. Harambe!